Okay. I'm going to talk briefly about the efficiency of the flock. If each individual bird made decisions on its own, if each made individual judgments, they would have to have the ability to make individual judgments. I hope that's understood clearly. And making individual judgments to do so would require, I'm going to propose, might require anyway, mass, brain matter, right? And brain matter is not really good for many species. It's good for us, but not many species benefit from it at all. Why don't many species benefit from brain matter? Well, let's say you fly and you've got a heavy head full of brains. Well, the brains aren't necessarily going to pay off, meaning provide any benefit, but they'll impose a cost, right? That brain matter might impose a cost. Like it might prevent you from flying. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, well, I'm not sure anything really can make sense. Okay, so there, you see there, collective efficient decision-making by a flock of birds, right? Collective efficient decision-making by a flock of birds. I'm not sure who made the decision, okay? I'm not sure how that is done. If it's a neural network of some sort of distributed, like, weighted sums and connections like that, like a mycelium or something like that, I have no idea how it's done. I imagine it's some kind of a neural network that exists. Each one of us is sort of like a neuron in a brain, right? And the number of connections determines the intensity that their collective decisions are communicated amongst the network, throughout the network. That's my guess, okay? I don't know if it's a good guess. Now, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to start a new video, okay? And then we'll continue, because my promise is to edit these to make them good, because most of the time that I share these with students, they lose interest.